So now we're going to do the leaves. So we take the green yarn, we cut it in two because you've got 2 leaves to make. It's about 3 meters that we need for this. So we're going to cast on and we chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to work back towards here. So we're not going in this hole, we're going in the next one, and we're going to do a normal double crochet, and then we're going to do a treble. So we wrap the yarn around once and we go into the next stitch and we do a treble there, pull it through and then wrap and then pull it through, and then we're going to do one more treble here, and then what we're doing is an increase of a funny old stitch. So it's like a treble but you wrap around twice. It's called a double treble, funny old name. Okay, and then you go in the next stitch and then you pull through there. Oh, sorry, you just pull through 2 of the hoops, you wrap around again, pull through 2 of the hoops, you wrap around again and you pull all the way through. And we're doing an increase, so we're going into the same stitch again with wrapping around twice, same stitch, and then we go 1, just through 2 of the hoops every time, and then there, and then we're going to do another 2 trebles, so 1 treble here and then into the next stitch we do another treble, and then we finish off this side, a normal double crochet. Back to there, you do 1 double crochet in that last stitch, and then we chain 2, and then we're going into the same stitch again with another double, and then with this right side still facing you, we're going to just turn the work 180 degrees. So that's the bottom of the chain that we started with, and that's at the top of our work now. So now we're going to, I'm going to sew in over this dangly end bit. We're going to do 1 treble into there and over the top of our end, and then another treble into the next stitch, and then we're going to do that funny thing, the double treble and increase 1, so we're going into the same hole, no sorry, the next hole here, next stitch here, we do a double treble, and then we're going to do the same stitch into that same hole. That's our increase, and then we do a treble into this next stitch. I hope my thumbs are out of the way of this, and then another treble over that end, and then a double crochet, and then we're basically finished. We just do a slip stitch into that top of the very first stitch. So you've come all the way around and you've got this leaf shape. Now we're going to leave a 1 meter tail here to wrap around that wire. So, I mean, if you just, I've got no scissors. So basically you leave a 1 meter tail, cut it, and then you wrap it around your wire stuff like all the other flowers we've done. You make 2 of these and then you've got your little leaves. I think I like these best, they're so cute.